I got involved with Book Belong Pikinini in the very, very early days when I met with a bunch of lovely, lovely ladies who had a vision for these incredible libraries to teach kids to read and write. Unfortunately, they knew nothing about shipping, so I stepped in, and within a few hours we managed to get free shipping out of Australia from our agent Seafast, and EFM agreed to do all the customs clearance for nothing. So it took a big load off the ladies with what they were trying to do. It varies from month to month. We had 8 pallets in the last shipment. We've got 4 boxes in this one, so it can vary from very small shipments to quite large ones. So they're quite expensive to move. So that sort of sponsorship makes a huge difference to Book Belong Pikinini and the work that they can achieve. Our sponsors are incredibly supportive and very, very special to us. From a board level point of view, we couldn't do it without them. We just couldn't. So, and all the incredible people in Australia who donate books and ship them up to us, it's just magic. It's just such a heartwarming experience, and the children are sponges. They just soak up all that knowledge, and they just want to learn. And with literacy rates here being so low, anything that we can do to educate the young children of this country, who are the future of this country, is an absolute bonus. And you see the little faces light up when they actually twig to what reading is all about, and it's worth everything that you do.